In a terrifying development nobody noticed, AI agents are quietly replacing white-collar workers. By 2026, entire departments could run themselves, autonomously drafting reports, managing campaigns, and even making complex financial decisions. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's happening right now, transforming our global workforce. Your job, your career, your future, all could be fundamentally altered within just 2 years. Are you prepared for this silent revolution? What exactly are these AI agents? Imagine software that doesn't just execute commands, but sets its own goals, plans its own actions, and learns from its mistakes, all without human oversight. They're not robots you can see, they're invisible digital entities, quietly infiltrating corporate systems. Major companies are already running pilot programs, with early results showing incredible efficiency gains. But how are these digital ghost workers operating, often without human oversight? These agents perceive, plan, act, and reflect. Take a marketing agent. It can autonomously research market trends, design an ad campaign, optimize bids in real time, and even generate performance reports. Or a financial agent, flagging anomalies, drafting analyst reports, and executing trades based on complex algorithms. This isn't just automation, it's autonomous decision-making. And the speed at which they're learning isn't just impressive, it's terrifyingly fast. Here's the twist. These agents aren't just replacing individual tasks, they're forming digital teams. One agent identifies a problem, another researches solutions, a third drafts the proposal, and a fourth executes it. They're collaborating, learning from each other, and improving their collective intelligence with every cycle. This wasn't anticipated, and it means the entire structure of white-collar work is transforming overnight. Your next colleague might be an entirely autonomous AI. So what does this mean for you? Jobs involving repetitive data entry, analysis, scheduling, or even basic content creation are acutely vulnerable. However, roles requiring creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and complex problem solving become even more valuable. This is your chance to pivot. Focus on uniquely human skills that AI can't replicate. This future isn't a threat if you understand how to navigate it, but the window to act is closing fast. The emotional payoff here is stark: fear of the unknown, but also the incredible potential for human advancement. This isn't about humanity losing to machines, it's about evolving with them. The future of work is here, and you have a choice. Watch it happen, or shape your place within it. Don't be caught off guard. Subscribe to AI Frontiers now to stay ahead of these unprecedented changes and secure your future in an AI-powered world.